Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, in this second session we are going to take some more problems based on input and output. In the previous session we discussed 2-3 sets of input and output based problems. So let's take some more variety in this session. Now friends, let's take this problem. This input is there. Let's take the first step from 44 to 8, 38 to 2, 24 to 6, 16 to 7. You can observe that digits are being added, right? 4 and 4, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 and 1, 2. 4 and 2, 6. 5 and 5, 10. 1 and 0, 1, right? So digits are added. So we can say in this step, digital root is calculated, right? Now from here also we can see 6, 5, minus 3, 9, 3, 3. That means here also digital root is calculated. Let's see further. Here also 6, 3, 4. This is also digital root. Okay. Now out of 6 steps we are clear with the 3. Now in the remaining, let's see what happens. 7, 15, 4, 12, 8 difference is there. So 8 is added. So from this to this we have got, from this to this we have got. Now we have to find out from this to this. Okay. So it's 8 to 60, 6 to 32, 1 to minus 3. You can see that all these numbers are 4 less than square of this number, isn't it? 64 minus 4, 36 minus 4, then 1 minus 4, 49 minus 4, right? So these are square minus 4. So from this to this we got, this to this we got, this to this we got. Now from this to this is 6 and 1, 7, 5. Here friends, we can observe one thing. If 7 minus 6 is 1, then 4, then 9, then 16, then 25, that means difference between these two is, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square and 7 square are added to all these numbers, right? To get this. So I just write 1 square, 2 square, 7 square. Okay. So we got the clue for every step now. So let's take problems one by one. Now, what will be the fourth step for the following input? The input is given and we have to find out the fourth step. Now friends, what I would recommend you over here, instead of calculating for each and every number, you can choose 2-3 numbers for which only you should proceed, because all the options are different from each other. So you'll be getting a clue after even if you do for 2-3 numbers, right? So I suppose choose this, maybe these 3 numbers, right? Because the first 3 numbers in all the options are different, right? You can see that. So in the very first step, what we have to do, we have to find out the digital root. So it's 5, 7 and 6. After that we have to square minus 4, so it's 21. 49 minus 4 is 45. 36 minus 4 is 32. Then further we have to find out the digital root. Okay. After that we have to add 1 square, 2 square and 3 square. So 1 square is 1, 2 square, that's 13, 3 square, so 9 plus 5, 14. So 4, 13, 14 should be the first 3 numbers. So 4, 13, 14, the first 3 numbers, right? Forget other numbers, okay? Because 4, 13, 14 is unique among all the options. I hope you are getting me. To save time, you should go like this only. Yeah. Now in this problem, this second step is given. We have to find out the fifth step. So after second step, what we have to do? Second step means square minus 4 step. After that we have to find out the digital root. So again here I'll be taking first 3 numbers only to save time. So 9, 6 and 3. right? So this is the third step. And in the fourth step, what we have to do, we have to add 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. So 1 square, 2 square and 3 square, that's this. Okay, after that further we have to add 8, right? So it's 18, 18 and 20. So 18, 18 and 20, this is option C. Okay. Now, in how many steps would the following arrangement be yielded by the given input? Now this is input and this is the arrangement. Now forget all the numbers, just take first one or second one, any number which you want. So I just take first number. So from 43 to 10. The first step will be 4 plus 3, right? The first step is 7. Second step is 7 square minus 4. So 7 square minus 4, that's 49 minus 4, that's 45. Then the third step is digital root once again. So third step is 9. Okay. Then fourth step, add 1 square. So I add 1 square. This is fourth step. So from 43 to 10 we have reached. So this is the fourth step. Okay. And if you wish to cross verify, you can very well. You start with 37. So 37, the first will be 10, that's 1. Then 1 square minus 4, that's minus 3. Then digital root is further minus 3. Then we have to add 2 square, so that's 4, so that's 1. So that's from 37 to 1, right? So fourth step is the correct choice. I hope you are clear. Now, what would be the fifth step of this input? Now, input is this. We can see fifth step, each and every first number is unique. So what we can do is we can proceed with the first number only. Okay, to save time. So the first step will be what? Add. Second step, square minus 4. Third step, further add. Fourth step, add 1 square. Fifth step, add 8. So that's 15. So this is option B. Okay. If there is none of these in the examination, then in that case you have to check 2-3 more numbers, right? So but over here I don't have none of these, so I'm clear that this option B will be the correct choice. Okay. Now friends, let's see this one. What will be the input for the following fifth step? 14th, 11th, 23, 27, 34, 56, 62. Now friends, there is a problem in this question because in this input and steps or output we are calculating digital root. Now digital root is actually what? The sum of two digits, right? Suppose we have 38 over here, the sum of digits is 2. Instead of 38, if it would have been 11, then also the answer would be 2. Instead of that 20, then also it's 2. So there are various options available for this step, okay, or we can say for input. So we cannot be so sure that what will be the input if this is the step 5, right? Because we before reaching step 5 we have to calculate digital root for 2 times, right? So for this question the answer cannot be determined. Okay, don't worry, it will be right. It cannot be determined. And I am sure you are getting my point that digital root is involved and we have to calculate digital root for 2 times. So digital root is not the unique value of one particular number, right? Okay. Now friends, let's say this one. A word arrangement machine, when given an input line of words, rearranges, this is the input and step 1, 2, 3 and step 3 is the last. Now we just compare. Input is this. In the second place, C is first steps, C is coming at the first place. Probably this is an alphabetic arrangement. So C, not B, is not coming at the first place. That means it is not only alphabetic arrangement. Let's see what happens. But and final output is, see, you look at final output. This is alphabetic arrangement, right? And all these words are having 5 letters. And here this 3 letters and that 2 letters. That means 2 things are happening simultaneously. Okay, first of all, number of letters, and then dictionary order, or we can say alphabetic order. Okay, so these 3 words are having 5 letters. So we have arranged, the machine has arranged them alphabetically. Then these 3 words have 3 letters. So further they are also arranged in alphabetical order. Then there are the last word is TE, right? So the concept is clear. Now straight go to the problems. Now input is this. Which of the following will be the third step? So the very first step, we have to find out the number or the word which is having maximum letters, and this 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these 3 words are having 3 letters. So in the first step we have to arrange them alphabetically. So car, the, and in remaining one. And in the second step, after car, may should be there. Car, may, the, car, may, the, in, as, he, me. In, as, okay. Then car, then this is same, this is same, this is same. From in, as, he and me, as should come, then remaining as it is. Okay. So car, may, the, as. Car, may, the, as, in, he, me. Okay. Let's see this one. Here, from this to this. Now this 1, 2, 6 letters, 6 letters, 6 letters. Okay, and this 5, 5, 5 and 5. So first of all we have to arrange the 6 letters. Now since first letter in every word is unique, so I'll just be using initial instead of writing down the entire word. So in the very first step, clever C will be at the first place, then obviously R, and then W, then from the remaining one P will come at the first place. So batch, cells, tiger, never. This is the first step. Now second step is C, R, W, B. Now S, N and T, right? So now I'm sorry, N should come at this place, N, S. After this N, S and T, right? So all of them are already arranged in alphabetic order and the order which is given in the question. So there is no next step. So in this case we will won't be having any sixth step, right? So it cannot have sixth step. I hope you are clear. Now let's see this case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which of the following will be the fourth step? So 4-letter word and this, and this. So L should come. Then we arrange T, S, V, B, N, M. Right? I'm just taking the initials. After that, in the second step, N should come. So N, then T, S, V, B, M. This is the second step. Then the third step, L, N. After that, from true and nuke, N should come. And I'm sorry, true and V2, T should come. So T is already there. Now V should come. So V is there. So S, P, M. Right? So this is the third step. But we are asked about the fourth step. So L, N, T, V. After that, All the remaining words are of 2 letters only, but B comes in the dictionary first. So B, S, M. So this is the fourth step. So L, N, T, V, B, S, M. Okay. Now this is the input and we have to find out which is the last step for this input. So M, F, C, C, O, C, A, C, O, S, A and I, right? 2 C's are there, so just take 2 words, 2 letters I mean. Now cuff, fight and saw, all these 3 words are having 5 letters. So if we arrange them in this dictionary order, C-O-U-G-H will come first. So C-O, then M, F, C-A, S, A and I. And in the second step, after C in dictionary will be getting F. So F, M, C, A, S, A, I, right? After that in dictionary, S will be there. So C, O, F, S, M, C, A and I, right? After that, it's the time for 4-letter word. So from this step, I'm not going to copy it. A will be here, A, M, C, A and I. Then in the next step, A, C, A will be here, then M, then I, and then A, C, A, I and M, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth step will be the last step. Okay? Now friends, let's say this case, this is the input and this is the step 1. After is going at the first place, then anise, and further anises come at the first place and after is going at the second place, and remaining words are as it is. Then every day is coming. Now what's there? It's A and this A and this E. So what's happening? The words are alphabetically or dictionary order, in dictionary order they are getting arranged. Apart from that, vowels are given preference, right? So here A and here it's A. So after and anise, in dictionary order if we see, after will come first, right? So first after is arranged in the step 1 and remaining words are as it is. After that anise will come according to the dictionary order and the remaining words are as it is. Then in vowel after A, E is there. So every day at the first place, remaining as it is. Then all the word which are starting from the vowel are finished. Then it's the turn of consonants, and in among consonants, this B is the first one. So I think this is the arrangement only. First of all, we have to arrange the words in dictionary order, and we have to take care that the vowels should come at the first time. Okay, so let's take the question now. Now friends, in this question, what will be the 7th step of rearrangement process? See, till 6th step we have already done. Just show you. Okay, so we have to find out the 7th step. So let's see what is happening till here. Here first of all bar is coming, then dinner, and then goes. After that the turn is of the and to, right? So according to dictionary, the should come first. So in the next step, the should come at the first place and the remaining sequence will be same. So the goes dinner bar every day anise after 2. So the goes dinner bar every day anise after 2. This is okay, very simple. Let's see this question. Input is this and we have to find out the 5th step. Friends, here I would just like to tell you that do not copy the word, just give them the numberings. So that would save your time, and just look at the options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first word is unique, right? It's different from other. So if you just Guess the first word which is coming there in the fifth step, then also like you can arrive at the correct answer, right? You don't have to write the entire series one and again, and you have to make the arrangement taking care of vowel and alphabetical order. That's it. So in the first step, this arrive will come at the first place. Okay. In the second step, after arrive, O should come at the first place. This is the second step. Then in the third step, after O, no other words are there which are starting from the vowels. So it comes a turn of consonants, and among consonants, men and Monday, we have to choose. So men will come first in dictionary order. So this is them. 6. After men and Monday, we are left with the and will. So according to dictionary order, the should come. So this. So first, fifth step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth step starting with 1, that's the. So that's not there among the options. So it's none of these, right? So this way you can save your time. I hope you are getting me. Now in this question, input is this. We have to find out the sixth step. So first of all, let's give them the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And according to the rule, this 3 should come at the first place. So 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is the first step. Then after at no consonants are there, no vowels are, I'm sorry, this intercept is there, so 4 will come at the first place. So 4, 3, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. This is the second step. Then after this and this, no vowels are there. We are left with the consonants. So among consonants, gateway should come first. So 2 should come first. So 2, 4, 3, 1, 5, 6, 7. This is the third step. After gateway, him should come. So first, second, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7. After that, this is gone, this is gone. Among we will and the should come first. So 7, 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6. This is the fifth step, and we are asked the sixth step. So from we and will, we should come first. So 5, 7, 1, 2, 4, 3, 6. This is the sixth step. Okay. So here we can see we and then 7 is the, and no, none of this is there, so no need to check further. This would be the correct choice. Okay. Now for this question, give them the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The first input, the first step, we have the word with starting from vowels. So it's 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the first step, and we have to reach up to fifth step. So after O, there is no other word which is starting from a vowel. So we have to now take the words from consonants. Among them, during is first according to dictionary order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After during, lights will come. So 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. After lights, murder will come. So it's 7, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. After murder, P will come. So 5. So 5, 7, 3, 1, 2, 4, 6. So this is step 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So second and last word, second and last. Seventh word, that is murder, and second word, that is 7, that is murder, and last word is 6, that is the. So murder and the. Okay. Friends, we have done a good number of questions even in this session, And as I have already told you in the previous session that there is hardly any scope of short tricks for this sort of problems. With the various techniques or various methods which I have discussed, not to copy words, give the numbering, this way you can save some of your time. But apart from that, there are hardly any scope of short tricks, right? So give yourself a full exposure of variety of problems. So at the time of examination, you should be or you'll be able to recall the methods which we have discussed, okay, or which you are practicing with. Okay, I'll be taking one more session for input and output questions. So let's meet in the next session once again. Bye bye.